Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make pizza dough without yeast, step by step. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and about 3/4 cup of warm water. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get cooking. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, whisk together your 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Make sure they are well combined. Next, slowly pour in the 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 3/4 cup of warm water. Mix with a spoon until a shaggy dough begins to form. Then, it's time to move it to a lightly floured surface. Once your dough is on the floured surface, it's time to knead. Gently work the dough for about 5 to 8 minutes. You'll notice it becoming smooth and elastic under your hands. Be careful not to overknead, as this can make your crust tough. After kneading, form the dough into a ball, cover it with a clean cloth, and let it rest for 10 minutes. This short rest helps relax the gluten, making it easier to roll. Finally, the fun part, rolling and baking. After resting, roll your dough into your desired pizza shape and thickness, typically 1/8 to 1/4 inch. Transfer it to a preheated pizza stone or baking sheet. Add your favorite toppings, then bake in an oven preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Enjoy your delicious homemade pizza.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.